So welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe and you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, starting with our trend on our gold. Now, if you zoom it out, you will see that most of our assets are literally dropping from the crypto to the stock, right? They are literally dropping. So this is one of the reasons why gold is also dropping. Also, because when you take a look at this right here on our 4-hour time frame, this is our first low, right? Market was able to give us our second lower high. Then this is our lower low, which is our second lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Now market has eventually given us a lower low. You can see market has given us one drop, which is a lower low. Then we would expect a pullback and another lower low again. So basically we should be expecting market to drop to a level of 4,700. This should be our target for the day. So a bearish move is what you are going to be expecting on our gold. So whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you would want to be going in for the sale, because this day for today we'll be expecting a bearish move. So if you are a day trader, right, and you are conservative, it will be best you wait for your 1 hour pullback. That will be the best thing you can do, right? Wait for your 1 hour pullback, maybe for you to cut to tap this any of this level before you can think of going in for the sale. So whatever you would want to do on your gold, right, going for the sale. Just in case there's going to be if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on the subscribe button and follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.